Welcome to this educational channel, where you learn English calmly and naturally through listening. This morning's story is designed for beginners. You can listen while waking up, relaxing, or starting your day. Slow listening helps your mind absorb English without pressure. Just listen and enjoy the story. Let's begin. Good morning. Today's story is gentle, calm, and simple. It is made for beginners. You don't need to understand every word. You don't need to repeat anything. Just listen. Let the English flow naturally. A quiet morning. It is early morning. The sun is slowly rising. The light is soft and warm. The city is quiet. Most people are still sleeping. A man wakes up calmly. He does not rush. He does not check his phone. He sits on his bed and takes a deep breath. This is his favorite moment of the day. The morning is peaceful. He believes mornings are powerful because how you start your day changes how your day feels. He stands up slowly. He opens the window. Fresh air enters the room. He feels calm. Simple morning habits. The man goes to the kitchen. He prepares a warm drink, coffee or tea. He does not hurry. He believes slow mornings create clear minds. He sits near the window. He looks outside. He does not think about problems. He does not think about stress. He thinks about one thing only. Today, I will be calm. He listens to English in the morning, not to study, not to test himself, just to listen. Listening is his daily habit. Learning English slowly. The man understands something important. Learning English does not need pressure. It does not need fear. It needs patience. He learned this over time. In the past, he tried to learn fast. He tried to memorize many words. He felt tired. He felt frustrated. So he changed his method. He started listening slowly. Every morning, 10 minutes, then 15, then 20. Slow listening changed everything. His brain relaxed. And when the brain relaxes, it learns better. Progress without stress. After many months, something interesting happened. He started to understand English naturally. Not every word, but the meaning. He stopped translating in his head. He began to feel confident. Confidence did not come suddenly. It came quietly, one morning at a time, one listening session at a time. This is how real learning happens. Morning, walk, and reflection. After breakfast, the man goes for a short walk. The streets are calm. The air is fresh. He listens to English while walking. Walking helps him focus. The rhythm of walking matches the rhythm of listening. This makes learning easier. He does not repeat words. He does not pause the audio. He trusts the process. Message for beginners. If you are a beginner, this story is for you. You do not need to rush. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need big vocabulary. You need calm listening every day, even when you feel slow, because slow learning lasts. Fast learning disappears. Repetition and comfort. The man listens to the same stories many times. Repetition does not bore him. It comforts him. Familiar English feels safe. Safe English builds confidence. Confidence builds fluency. This is the natural order, starting the day right. When the walk ends, the man feels ready for the day, not because everything is perfect, but because his mind is clear. English is no longer stressful. It is part of his life, just like breathing, just like walking, just like mornings. Final morning thoughts. Morning is a gift, a new beginning. You don't need to change everything today. You need to do one small thing. Listen calmly. Daily listening creates powerful change. Not today, not tomorrow, but over time. If you enjoyed this morning English story, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. This will help you continue learning English slowly, calmly, and confidently every day. Thank you for listening and have a peaceful morning.